Hey guys, guess what? I decided to do a what I eat in a day video because you guys have been requesting me since a very long time, and today I just woke up and I thought why not do it today right now because I have been procrastinating it since a very long time. So it's 9:30 right now. I woke up 10 minutes back. I know it's late. I actually have to shoot 2 videos today. I have to edit 2 videos, so lots and lots of work. So I will definitely need good food to lift up my mood. I'm very excited to show you guys what I eat in a day. So in the morning, like once I wake up, I obviously go and brush my teeth because I can't function without brushing my teeth. I know some people, they directly, have their breakfast and then tea and then they brush their teeth. I think that is the right way to do it actually. For me, I just cannot function without brushing my teeth. In the morning, once I wake up, I have this glass full of chia seeds. So the chia seeds have been soaked overnight, and I just add a tiny amount of brown sugar because without sugar it tastes very bland. So I just mix brown sugar, like 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So what I do is I take 1.5 teaspoon of chia seeds and then I just soak it in 1 glass of water. So this is what I'm going to have right now. Chia seed is a great antioxidant. So next I'm gonna have 5 overnight soaked almonds and 4 dates. One thing I love doing is just breaking it into 2 pieces, and you can see how smooth it looks. Somehow it just is very satisfying. So this thing has been my staple since the last 3 years. Sometimes I don't do it, like I skip maybe for a week or so, but then I again get back to it. But once I wake up, this is pretty much what I eat. There are different types of dates in the market, but the one that I love eating is called kimia. It's very tasty and the sweetness is just about right. The best part is it's not that sticky. I don't like dates which are very sticky. I love eating this one. It's very good if you want to make smoothie. Oh my god, it's so tasty. I just finished shooting one video. It's 11:30 right now and I'm just going to have a bowl of fruits. Generally I eat whatever fruit is available. Any seasonal fruit is good for me, but for me this fruit intake is a must. So I'm going to show you what I'm having today. So today I'm having muskmelon and watermelon. So I always keep struggling with fruits. I get bored with a fruit very easily. Since the past month I was just having banana and apple. So right now my favorite is muskmelon and watermelon. I really enjoy these 2 fruits. So this is what I'm gonna have as my snack, like pre-lunch snack. Oh my god, this is so sweet. So let me know which fruit is your favorite because I really don't like all those fancy fruits like passion fruit and dragon fruit and whatnot. I love eating seasonal fruits which are available very easily in the market. What I love about eating fruits is that it just calms me down. It just cools me down from within. That's what I feel after eating fruits. With cooked food, I don't get that feeling. I just feel a little bloated, but with fruits, I never feel bloated, and it fills me up too. In the morning, I know a lot of people, they love eating poha, they love eating upma or kachori sabzi, but for me it's a big no-no. I really don't enjoy those. What I really enjoy is a bowl of fruits or smoothie or overnight soaked oats. Those are really calming. That's what I feel. So yeah, right now I'm gonna enjoy a bowl full of this goodness and I'll see you at lunch. So abhi main naha dho ke taiyar ho gayi and now I'll have my lunch. Now one staple food for me, be it lunch or dinner, is rice. I just cannot live without rice. I don't like having rotis. Aaj lunch I'm having some flavored rice. I asked Shondha to prepare some flavored rice for me because I love it. I don't know the recipe, kaise banati hai, but whenever she makes it, it's like yum. Also uske sath thoda dal makhni hai and salad like tomato, onion and cucumber. Kuch zyada kuch fancy nahi hai. This is what I love eating. Dusre din jo bhi Shondha banati hai, like be it dal, chawal, kabhi aloo bhaja. I also have eggs sometimes, like boiled eggs. So aaj main khane ja rahi hu ye. So let me tell you kha ke kaisa bana hai. Oh my god. Every time she makes it, she kills it. और ये थोड़ा salad. I'm actually a pescatarian, but fish मेरे घर पे नहीं आता. Not because of any religious reason, but मुझे fish का वो जो smell होता है वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I have fish only when I go outside, जैसे cafes में या restaurants में, then only I have fish. Once I'm done with my lunch, I will finish my editing. बहुत ज़्यादा editing बाकी है. 2 videos मुझे आज एडिट करना है, सो बहुत काम बाकी है. सो इट्स 6 o'clock राइट नाउ और मैं ये वीडियो एडिट कर रही हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट डन. सो आई यूजुअली गेट हंग्री अराउंड दिस टाइम, लाइक अराउंड 5:36ish. इन द इवनिंग आई डोंट फील लाइक हैविंग एनीथिंग हैवी, बट अभी इस वक्त स्मूदी वर्क्स ग्रेट फॉर मी एंड आई लव स्मूदीज. आज इतना काम था कि आई डिडंट गेट टाइम टू मेक माई स्मूदी, सो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड इट ऑनलाइन. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस बनाना स्मूदी फ्रॉम ड्रंकन मंकी. आई लव देयर स्मूदीज, आई लव देयर सैलड्स. इसमें आई कैन सी ओट्स भी है, चिया सीड भी है, एंड they have made it with plant based milk. I think there's coconut milk in it, so I'm just going to sip it through. Oh my god, it's so good. The other days I make smoothie myself. I love having banana smoothie. It's so easy to make. So I make it with almond milk, 1 banana, and I just put some rolled oats in it and some almonds. Sometimes I do add 1 to 2 dates in it, or kabhi dates nahi raha to I also add brown sugar. Sometimes when I'm too hungry, I make a sandwich for myself or just some bread butter. So ऐसे कुछ ठीक नहीं रहता. It depends on my mood, what I want to have. So I'm gonna finish it like real slow. Like I'm gonna sip in and edit. And वैसे भी 6 बज रहा है, so it's good that बाहर अभी भी light है, because मुझे कुछ product shots लेने थे, and I'm gonna do it right now before it gets dark. So it's 10:30 right now. आज dinner में थोड़ा late हो गया because मेरा बहुत काम था. I finished my editing. अभी भी थोड़ा सा like around 20% बाकी है. I still have to finish it, so I'll do it after I have my dinner. So in dinner I love my Bengali cuisine. आज Bengali cuisine खाना है मुझे. I have some plain rice, I have मूंग दाल, ये है आलू झींगे पोस्तो, and this is लौकी की सब्जी, लावेर ग्रेट करा. So she prepares it like लौकी को grate करके, and then she puts in some onion and some jeera, and it's amazing. I love watching Netflix. Right now I'm watching Manifest. It's my favorite show right now, and I love chilling on my couch and having my food. So I watch 2 episodes of Manifest every day because I feel like after working so hard, like a tedious day, I do need some time off, and so I watch TV for maybe some days 1 hour, some days 2 hours. So another thing about me is after having dinner, I need something sweet. So I've got Shita Bhog and I've got Langcha. I made my choice since I was a little full because of the rice. I couldn't have the Shita Bhog. So I'm gonna have Langcha. I'm just going to have one. Oh my god. This is heaven. Just heaven. Alright guys, that was it for the video. बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया and I'm too full right now. थोड़ा सा lazy feel हो रहा है, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा rest लूँगी. उसके बाद I have to finish my edits. At least 2 घंटे और लगेंगे. I think I'll be editing till 2 or 3 o'clock. So this is what you guys were requesting since such a long time. कुछ ज़्यादा fancy नहीं है, बिल्कुल घर का खाना है. Comment down below कि आपका favorite food क्या है and what do you guys have for lunch, dinner. जैसे I can't do without sweets after a meal. आप लोग क्या खाते हो? Do you have any addiction towards any food? Like मुझे ये चाहिए ही चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Or is it just me? Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now, because a lot of you guys who aren't yet subscribed to my channel, you're loving my content but you're just not subscribed. So please subscribe right now. I love reading your comments and I love replying to your comments. So comment down below. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. Good night.